let's collect some of these cuties. Here are my little human being, man in black. Look what I did with my simple hoop silver earrings. Sometimes our jewelry gets boring for us because we are all the time using all same, and we can just by adding a simple thing make a change and enjoy even more. Here is what I did. I had some cute human climbing man here. It can be any kind of charm that you like. I added to this hoop earring, and now it's something a bit different. I had them in different colors, black, silver and gold, as you see, and the hoop earrings are different size. So if you have a hoop earring, you can just simply add different charm. You can add even more. It's up to you. Here is what I made, simple and easy, and enjoy your new redesign earring. Isn't that fun? Say yes. Look at this. That's it. Climbing man in black. And then here we have the gold one and silver one. I'm happy with my new redesign earring. So what you would love to hang in your earring, imagine this is a necklace, and then you can add whatever charm you love. And I actually have this, and I made as a necklace. I'm going to show you right now actually. Here are the necklace I made, and that will be very cool when you have it on you. I'm trying, and you see how it looks. Look at this cutie, beauty. So we have man climber from your ear and from your neck. Do you like it? And this is the black one. Just to see. I like the combination of colors. Here we go. Black and gold. They can be even together in one chain. It's up to you and your choice.